Come and explore with me, Lani. Hey, let's do some math today. Can you add by 1? Let's try it. 0 plus 1 equals 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 8 plus 1 equals 9. 9 plus 1 more equals 10. You are so smart. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.